our workshop, 12 days workshop on integrating craft skill in school education. So I am here to share my experiences about it. I want to start it with the melodious song which we learned and also listened few minutes before. The same training by Sir Champak Das. Please, if there is a mistake, forgive me, I am not a singer because very good singers in between us. हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। इन दो पंक्तियों की अनुभूति इस ट्रेनिंग के द्वारा मुझे ही नहीं, हमारे सारे भारत के 10 राज्यों से आए हुए सभी ट्रेनी जो है उनको महसूस करने को मिली। I experienced these songs in this training. All of our trainees came from all over India. We had different languages, different traditions, but in the roof of sincerity, we became a family. When at first day, a little bit nervousness in my mind, but first day, all of friends and Dr. Sharma sir introduced us. All we are become family of sincerity. That time I feel relaxedness there, and the start studying. Next day, we have learned many things in this 12 days. First from Dr. Sharma sir, how to deal with the people, how to speak on the stage. Second thing, different states' culture, their dance, songs, about their tradition and glorious history. Third things, about cultural heritage of India, with special reference to our Northeastern region, from a lecture by Professor A.C. Bhagwati and Madam Krishtini Bora is also present with their PPT on that subject. Learned yoga by Dr. Nurul Islam. About integrated approach to education, a lecture by Leela Sharma. Madam also tell very precious knowledge to us how to manage the class. The craft skills like solar bead work, terracotta work, jute work, bamboo work, toy making. We also very enjoy it, and first time we do something crafts, so it is very joyful learning to us. The most important thing we had learned here through the craft skill and through the previous lecture of Dr. Sharma sir is to respect the craftsmen and do their work. I think it is a very important and it is a very big success of our training. We all are from different states, but after it we give the respect to the craftsmen and to their work. I think many of us bought some things from that craftsman. I think it is a very big achievement of our CCRT training. The most important thing, we learn some songs from different languages, madam. Some Tamil people sings Hindi song, Punjabi songs. With the help of our music teacher, Sri Champak Das sir, many things we learned, and all the research persons are great. I think all of them are great treasure of knowledge. Many sirs, lecturers present here, they are the master of their subjects. I give thanks for it to CCRT, Guwahati, Dr. Sharma sir and their staff. All staff very, I think, obedient and very friendly with us of all India. When I am preparing to come here, that time I had a very different picture of northeast part of our India. But when after 12 days, it completely, totally changed. totally changed. I promised to all of my friends of eastern area, sorry, northeastern area and Assam is at home. We definitely showed to our students and statesmen the glorious history of Northeast, the glorious tradition of Northeast, great culture of Northeast, about its nature, natural beauty. Okay, friends, now I want to conclude here with only 3 suggestions to our CCR team, Guwahati sirs. Sir, we are came from all over India. If there is a possible, improve the food quality of second thing is give the equal chance to all states. The third suggestion is make a stage in the classroom for a cultural program. Because many of my friends stand up and see what the step is going there. So if there is possible, please make a stage. आखिर में मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो दुख फैमिली को छोड़ते वक्त होता है, आज वो हम सब महसूस कर रहे हैं. मेरे दिलों में भी है, आपके दिलों में भी है. And I think it is a great success of the CCR training, sir. It is a great success, and we both achieve this success. We will take